back to Candlestick Hub, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of trading and investing. In today's video, we're diving into the valuable trading lessons shared by the legendary Paul Tudor Jones. Known for his exceptional insights and success in the markets, these lessons can help us become better traders. So, let's get started. Lesson number 1. When trading with a significant position, it's crucial to exit when the market indicates it's time to get out, rather than waiting for your preferred exit point. Lesson 2. Avoid being overly aggressive with your trades and never overtrade. It's important to maintain discipline and not let your ego drive your decision-making process. Lesson 3. If your trades start going against you, consider cutting your losses and exiting. However, if they're working in your favor, you may choose to hold on to them. Lesson 4. As you experience losing trades, reduce your position size. This allows you to limit potential losses and protect your capital. Lesson 5. Avoid the temptation to average down on losing trades. Instead, focus on preserving your capital and seeking new opportunities. Lesson 6. Adjust your trading volume based on your performance. When you're having a rough patch, decrease your volume. Conversely, when you're trading well, you can increase it. Lesson 7. Only trade in situations where you feel you have control. Avoid entering trades based on speculation or when there are external factors beyond your influence. Lesson 8. If a losing position becomes uncomfortable, don't hesitate to exit. Remember, you can always re-enter the market when conditions are more favorable. Lesson 9. Don't overly fixate on your entry point. Instead, focus on the current market conditions and the potential for profitable trades. Lesson 10. The most important rule according to Paul Tudor Jones is to prioritize risk management over seeking profits. Protecting your capital should always be your primary goal. Lesson 11. Don't let your ego get in the way. Avoid trying to be a hero in the markets and make decisions based on sound analysis rather than emotions. Lesson 12. Paul Tudor Jones describes himself as a premier market opportunist, highlighting the importance of seizing opportunities when they arise. Lesson 13. According to Jones, some of the best opportunities lie at market turning points. Pay close attention to shifts in market sentiment and trends. Lesson 14. Markets can change rapidly, with destruction often occurring faster than growth. Be prepared for sudden shifts and adjust your strategies accordingly. Lesson 15. Markets can experience sharp and significant movements. It's essential to stay alert and react accordingly to capitalize on potential opportunities. Lesson 16. Consider implementing not only price stops but also time stops in your trading strategy. Time-based exits can help you manage trades effectively. Lesson 17. Rather than solely focusing on making money, prioritize the protection of your existing capital. Preserve what you have and build from there. Lesson 18. Align your trades with the prevailing market trend. It's generally favorable to trade in the direction of the dominant trend. Lesson 19. Jones often refers to the 200-day moving average of closing prices as a key metric. Pay attention to this indicator when analyzing market conditions. Lesson 20. In the grand scheme of things, Paul Tudor Jones suggests not getting too caught up in traditional valuation metrics like price-to-earnings ratios. Focus on buying assets that are rising and selling those that are falling. Lesson 21. Lastly, Jones looks for trades that offer highly skewed reward-to-risk ratios. Seek out opportunities with favorable potential returns compared to the risk involved. And there you have it, the trading lessons of the renowned trader Paul Tudor Jones. Remember, these principles can guide your trading journey and help you navigate the markets more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Candlestick Hub for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy trading!